Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. If you've been around the internet, you've probably heard of this term digital nomads. And if you're not familiar with what that is, it's basically people who work on the internet and they're nomadic. They kind of travel around. And so the question that I actually want to answer today is whether or not digital nomads are fake. Well, the answer is a little bit of yes and no. So the first part is the whole fake digital nomads. Those are pretty much easy to spot, because if you actually look at their history and look at their content, it's usually too good to be true. And as with most things, if it is too good to be true, it's probably not true. So I definitely recommend that you do a lot of your research on any of these people on the internet, whether they are digital nomads or not. And the second thing is what I feel digital nomads definitely do exist. They live a quote-unquote digital lifestyle, but there's many different levels of a digital nomad. For example, I consider myself a digital nomad light, which means that I do travel, but I don't travel anywhere near as someone who is a full-time digital nomad who travels to different countries, who can basically live out of their backpack. And so that's definitely not something that I could do, at least not at this point. But there's also the digital nomads who either for one reason or another, they enjoy traveling. And so that's all they spend their time and money on. But then there's another group of digital nomads that decide to actually live in a different country. Normally they're living in a less expensive country, like an Asian country. And so that is it for this episode. If you had any thoughts on this, on the whole idea of a digital nomad or digital lifestyle, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And as always, if you did get value out of these videos, share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators Group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators Group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to geekoutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.